Welcome back to the Georgia Homes for Sale channel. Today, we're touring this fantastic home in Metro Atlanta that could be yours. We're here to turn your dream of home ownership into reality, and our friends at Bob Hale Realty are making it happen. Are you dreaming of owning a home right here in Atlanta, but feel like it's just out of reach? Maybe you're worried about your credit score, or you think you need to save for 10 years just for a down payment. What if I told you that you could be much closer to owning your dream home than you think? Stay tuned, because today, we're busting the biggest myths about buying a home in Metro Atlanta. Hey everyone, I'm Noah with Bob Hale Realty. For years, the amazing team at Bob Hale Realty, led by Steve and Robert Hale, has expertly guided clients to find incredible homes for sale all across Metro Atlanta. And the number one thing we see holding people back isn't the market, it's misinformation. People believe they need perfect credit and a huge pile of cash to even start looking. Today, I'm going to show you how that's simply not true, especially for our first-time home buyers and our valued military veterans. Alright, let's tackle the big one first. Credit score and down payments. You do not need a 750 score and 20% down. In fact, we work with fantastic FHA loan programs that can get you approved with a credit score as low as 580. And for conventional loans, programs can start around 600. And the down payment? We can often find programs that require little to no money down. The dream of home ownership is alive and well, even if you're not a millionaire. Now, I want to speak directly to my fellow military service members and veterans. First of all, thank you for your service. The VA loan is one of the most powerful benefits you've earned, and we are experts at using it. We can often help veterans with a credit score as low as 500 get into a home. And the best part? The VA loan almost always requires zero down payment. It's an incredible tool, and we're honored to help you use it. And if you're a first-time home buyer, there's even more good news. Georgia offers several down payment assistance programs that can provide grants to cover your upfront costs. You don't have to do this alone, and we help people find these incredible properties for sale all across the Metro Atlanta area. Whether you're looking for a home inside to 85, the fantastic school districts of Cobb and Gwinnett counties, or the growing communities in Cherokee and Henry counties, we know this market inside and out. So, if you're ready to stop scrolling through Zillow and start your journey to home ownership, let's talk. Don't let a number or a myth hold you back any longer. I'm here, along with Steve Hale, Robert Hale, and our amazing team, to offer you a free, no-obligation consultation. Your first step is simple. Just reach out to Bob Hale Realty today. You can call us at 706-796-2274. Again, that's 706-796-2274. Or you can visit our website at bobhale.com to see all the current listings and get more information. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more local real estate tips and hidden gems.